Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to pause your Audible account easily. Many people pause their membership for various reasons. Perhaps you have too many credits or simply need a short break. Pausing allows you to keep all your purchased audiobooks and maintain your membership history. This flexible option helps manage your subscription without fully canceling. We will guide you through each step, making the process straightforward. Before you pause, it is crucial to use any existing credits you may have. Credits will expire and cannot be used during your pause period, so spend them on new audiobooks first. Also, understand that your membership benefits, like access to exclusive sales, will be temporarily suspended. You can usually choose to pause for a duration of 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. To begin, open a web browser and log into your Audible account on the official website. Once logged in, navigate to your account details page. You can typically find this by clicking on your username. On that page, scroll down to locate the section detailing your membership. Here, you will find the option to either pause membership or cancel membership. After clicking Pause Membership, Audible will present you with several pause duration options. You will typically see choices for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. Carefully select the length that best suits your needs, considering when you might want to resume listening. Once you have made your selection, confirm it. You should then receive an email confirming your account pause and its duration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.